Good morning to one and all. On behalf of Amity Innovation and Design Center and Institution Innovation Council, Amity University, Uttar Pradesh, I, Dr. Nidhi, welcome all the esteemed dignitaries, honorable guests, faculty member, and our students, day 8 of 6-week Technology Entrepreneurship Development Program on Organic Farming and Biofuels. It is a pleasure to have us today Doctor Shikha Kapoor, working as a professor and HOD, HR and OB and Director PhD program, Amity International Business School, Amity University, Noida. Dr. Shikha Kapoor is a keen HR and educational professional having experience of 30 years in consultancy, corporate training, academics and research. She is the author of 15 management books for reputed publisher and 12 book reviews to credit and authored and presented around 100 international and national conference papers. 12 consultancy projects of international and national level in the field of management and human resource are also undertaken by Dr. Shikha. So I now request Dr. Shikha to please present your talk on the topic soft skill development, communication, and information seeking. We welcome you, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. How are you all?
Good morning,
There's
ma'am.
the
Good,
source of
ma'am. Good. How are
communication
you?
also. I can communicate with the audience and they can speak.
Yes, ma'am, they can.
They can, no? So because it's a communication workshop, so I want everyone to involve themselves and speak whenever things and ask questions wherever needed. Because this is an open forum and the best is your communication because communication is a key to success. So can you see my slide?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I will start with another slide. So this is basically your the course slide, but I'll start with another slide. So now what do you understand by communication and why this workshop is being conducted? What do you think? What is the need for communication in entrepreneurship, if anybody I ask you? Why there's a need for communication? Anybody from the audience can speak?
Yes, ma'am. I think it's for making the relations and convening your ideas to the concerned person. So it will help us to improve our communication skills, so we can easily communicate with others and show up our ideas to them.
Definitely, because communication is, even if you are an entrepreneur or an engineer or a management guy, whatever knowledge you have, so that has to be communicated to people. Okay, suppose you are starting something new, entrepreneurship. Now, entrepreneurship is the key word in Atmanirbhar Bharat, but that has to be communicated. A small story I just wanted to start with. This is the story of the carrot, the egg, and the coffee bean. Please listen to the story and see at the visuals. Put 3 pots of water over fire. Okay, 3 pots are put under fire. And in the first pot, put some carrots. In the second pot, put some eggs. And in the third pot, put some coffee beans that have been grounded into coffee powder. So 3 pots boiling. First has carrot, second has egg, and third has coffee bean. Now boil all these pots for 15 minutes. Take out what you put in. So what do you see? What do you see? What happens to the carrot? What happens to the carrot?
it will be a soup type of red color.
Yes, it will dissolve basically. It will
Yeah.
dissolve. Okay, and then what will happen to the egg? I want others also to speak. What will happen to the egg?
The egg will turn gray and it won't taste
It
good
won't
enough.
taste. You don't eat boiled eggs.
It won't taste good enough.
No, you eat boiled eggs. What will happen to the egg? The consistency of the eggs.
It will become harder.
Yes, it will become
It will
harder.
solid.
Pardon, solid. It was soft earlier, it has become hard. Now what will happen to the coffee bean?
It will dissolve. Coffee will
Okay.
dissolve in the water.
Okay, coffee will dissolve in the water. So we were here. So the carrots went in hard, now they are soft. The egg went in soft inside and now they are hard inside. What happens? The coffee powder has disappeared, but the water has the color and the wonderful smell of coffee. Now think about life. When we are talking about communication, it is all about attitude in which we speak. People who are into hardships will have a different type of communication. Now think about life. Life is not always easy, you know that. In pandemic, life was not easy. Life was not always comfortable. Sometimes life is very hard. So things don't happen like we wish. People don't treat us like we hope. We work very hard, but get few results. What happens when we face difficulties? What happens to the difficulties when we face? How do you face a difficulty? How do you face a difficulty? Yes? What happens when there are difficult situations?
You become anxious, ma'am.
Anxious, yes. What else? What else?
Ma'am, we develop a strategy to come out of that
Yes,
situation.
definitely you get a strategy. You think about the pros and cons, and then you see the strategy how to come out of these problems. Okay, and then what else? What else do you do when hardships have come? You think about God, you think about life. Why God has done this to me? कैसे निकलूं मैं बाहर? होता है ना ये? See, these are part of your personality, how personality you are governing with. Now think about these pots. Now think about these pots. Boiling water is like the problems of life. Can be carrots. We go in tough and strong. Carrots क्या होते हैं? Strong होते हैं. Tough होता है. So अगर पानी में चला जाए तो what happens? It becomes soft. So but we go in tough and strong, but we come out weak and soft. So everything is related to our attitude and and how you are governing that attitude inside you. It depends on your personality. We get very tired, we lose hope, we give up. There is no more fighting spirit. So don't be like carrots. Now we can be like eggs. We had a soft and sensitive heart, but we end up hard and unfeeling inside. हम tough situations में गए और soft थे हम, but the problems arise, nobody was there to help you, none of the relatives came up, then you feel very unfeeling. Why should I help them? But we hate others, we don't like ourselves, we become hard-hearted. There is no warm feeling, only bitterness. So don't be like eggs. We can be like coffee bean. The water does not change the coffee powder. The coffee powder changes the water. What do you mean by this? What do you mean by this? See, everything is how you relate in your mind and then you communicate. Everything is in your brain. Because whatever you communicate, it is all the sensory nerves which help you in communicating. So what is this? What do you understand by this? The water does not change the coffee powder changes the water. What does it signify? How will you analyze this statement with your personality or with the situation?
Ma'am, this is how we can change our problems
Mm.
and make them easier for us.
Okay, can you give me an example?
Uh,
Any example?
Ma'am, it's be like we have to mold with the current situation.
Definitely,
With
we have to
regards-
mold with the situation. Can you give me an example for this?
Ma'am, like if any project is given to us, or we need to finish a chapter, so we need to study that until we finished it. I think that's not an appropriate example.
Ma'am, like
But
in
Yes.
I mean COVID situations, like
Yes.
we have to change the pattern of study and learning, like online education system.
Yes. So you had to adapt it, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Everything for we teachers also, for students also, we had to change with the technology. If we would not have changed, what would have happened? Many of the companies, they could not cope with the changes. What happened to them? We are talking about businesses here. We are talking about entrepreneurship, the people who had started the small businesses. What happened? They could not cope with the changes. Maybe the financial pressures, maybe the situation, especially the eateries, the hospitality industry, or the restaurants. They could not cope, and they could not adapt to the situation. For education, yes, we adapted very fast, because the technology, MS Teams came, Zoom came, and then we teachers had to learn, even you students had to learn, and then the things, see, so much to learn. The people who could not learn were out of the business. So that is what is needed. Earlier, if we take the examples of urbanization and industrialization, what happened to the small industries? The industries who could not change, could not survive. So during the pandemic, this was, you have to be an agile organization where you have to just fall back. ये situation है, हमने ये करना है. Ab now you see many of the entrepreneurs are budding up. New situations आ गई, online teaching आ गई है. People who were trainers, they are into online teaching now. So we adapted to situation. That is what is an entrepreneur. You have to adapt, nahi to you are gone. If you are talking about biofuels, organic, many people started organic farming. Okay, they started and supplying them through WhatsApp group. That was also people who were in the villages. They started, even some of the farmers who started, and they took to the Resident Welfare Association, and they became self-proclaimed entrepreneurs. So that is how even for the trash, जो आपके इतना आता था, ये जो farmers जलाते हैं, उसका थ्रैश था. थ्रैश को भी तो बायोफ्यूल्स में बना लिया farmers ने. There's a lot of ad coming by the Delhi government, how they changed the thrash, which was a terror to the pollution, which was a threat to the pollution. They changed into biofuels or manures. So that is the self-proclaimed entrepreneurs. If you know about the farmers when they were into dharnas and everything, if you had seen in the news what happened, the garam pani chahiye tha, so biofuels डाल के गोबर से वो गरम कर रहे थे पानी. So that was a new entrepreneurs, and that was being communicated. Somebody was sponsoring, so that was being communicated through TV. So communication can be anything, but here we are talking about soft skills. Soft skills kya hai? We'll be talking later. So I'll just finish this slide. So the water does not change the coffee powder. The coffee powder changes the water. It means that we have to change with the surroundings. If we don't change, we are gone. See, for individuals, there is a central of control, and there is one environment. It is a consensus circle. So environment, we are the small circle inside is me, and the outside is the environment. अगर मैं छोटा कैसे होता रहूंगा, क्योंकि environment मुझे force कर रही है. ठीक है, फोर्स कर रही है एनवायरमेंट कैन बी योर नेबर्स, योर पेरेंट्स, योर फ्रेंड्स, योर पियर्स, जो आपको फोर्स कर रहे हैं चेंज इट. बट अगर आप चेंज हो गए तो क्या होगा? यू विल अडेप्ट, यू विल वाइडन योर हराइजन एंड अडेप्ट विद द सराउंडिंग. इफ यू डोंट चेंज देन यू विल गो इनसाइड. तभी ये मेंटल प्रॉब्लम्स हो रही थी पैंडेमिक के समय. एंटरप्रेन्योर्स कुड नॉट स्पीक अप व्हाट दे वांट. I heard also there was a young boy, 19, 20 years old. He started a scanning app. You can scan, you can photostat through that app. So new technology also came up. So there were young entrepreneurs which came up. So in organic field also, many started into organic. The housewives who had small gardens, they started organic farming, and then they conveyed through social medias and other things. So the water has become different because of the coffee powder. See it, smell it, drink it. The hotter the water, the better the taste. क्या मतलब? जितने आपको problems आएंगी life की, उतना ही आप churn होगे and उतना ही आप succeed करोगे. अब the people who could beat the pandemic survived, like the Amazon. Okay, but other e-commerce industries went down, but Amazon also was down, but he came up. They increased their marketing skills. So in entrepreneur, you have to see these skills also. This is through your marketing skills. So we can be like coffee beans. We make something good from the difficulties we face. We learn new things. So we have new knowledge. When we face the difficulties, we have new knowledge, new skills, new abilities. We grow in experience. So we make the world around us better. So to succeed, we must try again. There will be difficulties. We must believe in what we are doing. One is your inside communication. That is your intrinsic motivation and inside communication. And one is your external, that is extrinsic. So that is your extrinsic, is your surroundings, is your peers, your parents, your environment, conducive environment for your growth. We must not give up. We must be patient. We must keep pushing. So when you want to be an entrepreneur, you have to be strong enough to face the world and face the shortfalls of life or the shortfalls of the environment. So difficulties and problems will come, but we have to handle with care. So we have to succeed. We have to fly. So problems and difficulties give us the chance to become stronger, better, and tougher. What we are, we have to now see. Are we like carrots, eggs, or coffee beans? Kya ho? But these are situational. So what you should be? So we have to be like a coffee bean. So this motivated you, and then we will come to the topic now. Some motivation for being an entrepreneur? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
You are basically students
ma'am.
here? The audience is
Yes.
students, or you are young entrepreneurs also? You can write in the chat if you want. You're young entrepreneurs, or you are all students?
I think we all are students.
Okay.
I am a student.
Okay. So this was, I wanted you to see the slide so that, you know, some motivation we will do, and then we will start with the communication, because everything is to be believed by communication, because it is your belief which has to be communicated. So soft skill development, communication and information sharing. What are soft skill? What are communication? How will you seek information? Because soft skill is not only speaking, it is listening, it is communicating. Okay, it is also your telephone etiquettes also comes into that. How you are, you know, using your telephone, how you are communicating your feeling, because uh, your attitude also speaks. So when we are speaking, we are into development of a pleasing personality. So we should have a quality that should attract, that is being cheerful, happy and healthy, truthful, appreciative and sympathetic, and also empathetic. So what is the meaning of sympathetic and empathetic? Can anybody relate with example, or just a thing like how, what is the difference between a sympathy and an empathy?
Ma'am, sympathy means being with someone, guiding them, suggesting them. But
No,
empathy,
empathy, that is empathy, because you are putting yourself in that shoe. That is empathy. Sympathy is, oh ho बेचारा बहुत गरीब है, ठीक है? But one has to be sympathetic towards a situation. But empathic is also helping others empower themselves. We cannot be like Women's Day is coming. We cannot be sympathy to the, give sympathy to the woman. It should be empathy, because we have to empower them. So, but sympathy is here because that is the emotion we are talking about here. So in possession of a sense of humor, tactful, considerate, broad-minded, loyal and sincere, dependable, attractively dressed and well-groomed. So that is what is a personality. When you are an entrepreneur, you should have a pleasing personality. That's why how the you are approaching others with your idea, with your thought, it is very much important. So there is importance of social contact, because we are dependent on each other, on livelihood and friendship. Naturally, when you have started a new product or you are becoming an entrepreneur, you will be speaking to your friends. This is a part of your livelihood, or this is just a part-time business you want to start. So it depends on what it is. So our responsibility is to our family, friends, general people in general, and the community. So desirable social quality should be pleasing voice, speech. There also has to be modulation of voice, you know, control on your speech, control on your voice, control on your pitch. We'll be talking this in later slides. The poise, that is, you know, the poise gives a grace to a person. You're poised. That means you are, situations are there, but you are composed. So you have a self-control. Courtesy. Courtesy is also one of the soft skills which is necessary. So when we are into improving relationship, we have to see the various important words, and especially when you are starting your own business, or even in your interpersonal relations in your life. Because you know, if you have good entrepreneur relations, then that is a process of communicating to your friends, you know, friends, family, you know, that is how things will be communicated about if you are starting your own business. So it is more by the initial, by the word of mouth. So you did, if they feel good about you, or they have a good relations with you, or they have a high take about you, then only they will advertise you. So I admit I made a mistake, you did a good job, what is your opinion? If you please, that is three important words. Thank you. And we is important, I is a less important word. But we have to, through interpersonal relations, we have to develop the brand I. Now, what is brand I? Brand I is your own self. You earn your power through your words, through your communication, through your deeds. That means others take you as an important figure, or they take decisions from you because you have established yourself in a particular field, or you are a role model. Suppose you are very good in studies. So your relatives must be coming, यार मेरे बेटे को भी बताओ कैसे पढ़ना चाहिए और उसको कहाँ admission लेनी चाहिए. So that is, you have developed a brand I, which people are they are fond of you and they want to take advice. So 9 steps to build a very high self-esteem. That is, you have to know your strengths and weaknesses in your education, in ever if you are a management or engineer or whatever course you are doing. So this is the main thing. What are your strengths? First, you have to see your strengths. जो भी business करना है, जो भी entrepreneurship में any new idea which is being generated, okay, so you have to see what strengths you have and what are the weaknesses. So you have to nurture your strength and convert your weaknesses to your strength. So you have to act upon that. You have to learn the intelligence ignorance. Sometimes when you are faced with the market, the people, sometimes you cannot say things at a go to that person. So that is an intelligence ignorance. You ignore a person who tries to show you down or has the negative feeling. So read autobiographies of your entrepreneurs who were good, like the Ola, like Amazon. They were, they were into books earlier. Then how they started the e-commerce. Okay, Uber was also, the taxi services. So they are, because it is every entrepreneur, they have to have certain trades of communication, of soft skills, because they have to develop it in a long run. So who have turned from negative attitude to positive attitude in their life. Associate with people with high moral character. Tell you, I was organizing guest lecture for the MBAs of HR. So that was on learning and development for becoming a learning organization. And a learning organization is an organization which is always into innovative learning. So we had called an oncologist from Guwahati. So that oncologist, she's a PhD from Lucknow, and she's done her doctorate also, and then a PhD. So she was teaching for the medical students, but she said, no, I have a different passion because I want to do something new. Then she said, my mother doesn't understand me because I want to have establish a team of 5-6 people, and I want to start a detection of urine, like when you give a urine infection is there, you give the urine and then it takes a day long process for a detection and giving the result. So she is developing a kit in which in 15 minutes, when you give your sample, 15 minutes mein result aata hai. So there is lot of passion in that. For whatever you are doing, you have to have a passion for it. That is very much important. So help those who can't pay you in cash or kind. Stay away from negative influences. Always when you're starting something new, always you have to be in the aura of positive. Every individual has an aura. They say, like, I attended one of the conference of positive thinking. They say 12 feet around in the circumference, that is and if you come under the circumference, these 12 feet circumference of an individual who is positive, you also get a positive aura. see, with someone, if you are sitting and that person is very good and you are getting very much influence, so that is a positive aura and that influences you. So always be with that person and have that attitude to excel. That, you know, if it's there. Have you read this Secrets? Have you read Secrets? Anybody of you who has read Secret?
Ma'am, I have read. I'm
Yeah.
Manjula this side. I have
So,
read, and I read it a lot.
so why do you think people are, these are the bestseller books? Why do you think, what Secret says, if Manjula, if I ask you, what did you get from that book which motivates you?
That I can manifest anything in my life if I really had that energy to flow in and give out.
See, that is only by reading you are getting it.
Yeah.
No? So you are reading. So how that book? Because read some good books that motivates. See, Manjula, you had read it and you are motivated to do anything in the world. There's also one old book. Even I am into very much in pandemic. I also, took many seminars on mental health because I did my PhD in role stress and organization effectiveness and stress management. But stress is one thing that can come to anybody. Okay, so how you have to manage that? And because, you know, when you are starting something new, there will be, ought to be the financial problems. I think so. You will be getting it in the future. They will be training you on the financial budget, the making of the proposals and everything. So there will be a lot of pressures which will be coming. So Secret is one book. They say that, whatever you think, it goes up and then comes down. So whatever is your thinking, it is communicated in your brain. Agar aap negative, like you have the incidences of Deepika Padukone, or there were many celebrities which came up. Okay, they were all established people, but still there is a subconscious level things are there. So when you are starting this business, so these kind of pressures will be there, for which you have to be communicative to the people. So I just wanted to address this because this is a major concern of entrepreneurs. So now we are talking about what are soft skills. Why soft skills are the main thing in human relations, or even in your own personality development. Soft skill are main. I take soft skills for people in the corporate. If you see my website is drshikha.kapoor.com. You can see my website. I'm a corporate trainer and I'm a motivator. So it's not that for students I take for the corporates. I've taken for the head of department, for the CEOs, and also for GMs of big PSUs. So why soft skills for them? Why soft skill? Because these are there, and in Amity also, and even in your engineering subject also, behavioral studies are coming up in thing, because you know there are many people who are good in academics, and but the soft skills are lacking because they cannot communicate their idea. So the idea has to be communicated, and it is not communicating only. You have to promote teamwork with the organization or with your clients you are talking, or you have to present the idea. How you are communicating through your words, through your presentations, because even your slides in which you are making a proposal to an organization, that has to be, saying what you are thinking. So you have to manage projects and people, you have to solve problems and provide excellent customer service. You know, very big organization, they tumbled down because the customer service were not good enough. See, Nokia came, if you talk about the companies, Nokia came with a boom. And then when it fizzled out, we never knew. We talk about mobiles and Nokia electronic products, ab kahan chala gaya? वो उसका marketing skills नहीं थे, or it did not adapt with the changes. An iPhone came up, and even when Steve Jobs is not there, but still iPhone 12 is coming, because he had that transformational leadership. See, for these are the skills of leadership or teamwork, which is important because this is, you are Generation Z. So Generation Z is, they take a lot of challenges. They are more into creativity, ideas. They don't want 9-to-5 jobs. They are into entrepreneurship. So Steve Jobs was one transformation leader which had ideas, though he was very aggressive approach. There's something called assertive, there's something called aggressive. We'll talk later on the types of communication there. But he had the ideas, he communicated it to the team, and for implementation, you have to communicate to your teams what your ideas are. So communication can be any form. So it has to be benefit, the recognition from the industry, the employer, the peers, new employment opportunity, promotion and advancement opportunities. You know, in social media during the pandemic, people started baking cakes, baking cookies, and they started showing their, their recipes. You must have seen there were many entrepreneurs that came up with the new things, toxin removal recipes, and hair ke growth ke liye, skin ke liye, because people started more into their health. And there were many health beneficiaries, entrepreneurship that came up. And organic farming also was one of them, because no pesticide, people started these organic farming, and they started buying farmhouses for doing these things. So promotion, how you are promoting these techniques. So they were small episodes for promotion through social media. Sometimes it used to come that some coffee, nahi coffee aayi hai, to kai baar aa raha hai these cakes are in trends, and then you are trying the recipe. So that was inducing people to try something new. To the organization, it is increased credibility with the customer. If you are attached to some entrepreneurs, then they have formed organization. So how it is a credibility, how for the customers, why the need of your product to the customers. Increase customer satisfaction, strong teams and leadership, more productivity, employees. Okay, so these are the benefits of this communication there in a proper form. Then you are talking about interpersonal, that means how you are communicating with each other. So listening is also one of the skills, that is soft skills. You have to be a good listener to try out new things. You have to listen to the grievances of your customer. You have to listen to the team people. And the probing. Why probing is important? Teachers probe the students, the questions. Why this question? If you see a young child, 8 years, 9, 10, बहुत questions पूछते हैं. Why that questioning? Why they probe their mothers or their fathers ki ye kya hota hai mummy, ye kya hota hai, why this is there? That expands your brain, that increases your horizon, because nowadays is the work of out of the box. Now, what is out of the box? For creativity, for entrepreneurship, you have to be in out of the box. What do you mean by out of the box? What do you mean by out of the box?
Something different.
Yes. So give me an example of out of the box. You must have heard or you must have done something out of the box. कुछ भी example बताओ. Anything you feel that is out of the box? Anything out of the box? कुछ नई चीज. That is out of the box. Organic farming, biofuel, एक new technique से निकाल रहे हो. That is out of the box thinking. Out of the box आप सोच रहे हो ना, जो है नहीं prevalent और आप कुछ नई चीज invent कर रहे हो. See, there are two sides of the brain, the left side and the right side. The right side is for creative thinking and the left side is for your you can say convergent thinking. Convergent means आपने बुक से पढ़ा, आपने वेब में देखा, आपने टीचर ने बताया, you converge it. So that is a thinking process. Like, you know, in exams, the MCQ exams, like, you know, there were exams and there were MCQ. So it is four में tick tick करना है. So that is your left side of the brain you are using. That is more of mathematical skills and, you know, the regular method. So that is 50% of your brain. The right side is the divergent thinking. Divergent thinking, that is, if you were a bird, अब बताओ क्रिएटिव आइडिया. अगर आप एक बर्ड होते तो व्हाट यू वुड हैव बीन, क्या करते इफ यू वर अ बर्ड? एनीथिंग. बर्ड होते, चिड़िया होते तो क्या करते? एनीबडी?
I would fly to places which I have not seen.
Okay, so that means your personality is you like traveling. What else? अगर एक चिड़िया होते क्या करते? अभी तो you are human beings, you want to be an entrepreneur, you are into creating problem solving. क्या करते?
मैम लाइक अगर जैसे बर्ड का कोई फूड है वो धीरे धीरे शॉर्टेज होती जा रही है तो नए इंसेक्ट्स या पेस्ट पे ट्राई करते हैं, ऐसा भी कुछ कर सकते हैं.
ठीक है, वेरी गुड. लेकिन मैं पूछ रही हूँ अगर आप एक चिड़िया होते तो क्या करते? वो तो चिड़िया के लिए आपने हेल्प कर रहे हो उसको चीजें देने में. अगर एक चिड़िया होते तो क्या करते?
मैम फूड के लिए ढूंढते, शेल्टर ढूंढते अपनी.
हाँ, एक मैंने छोटे बच्चे से पूछा 5 साल के, अगर तुम चिड़िया होते क्या करते? बोलते मैं अंडे देती. So that is your thinking. That is your thinking, what you are thinking, because that is what you are communicating. So right side of the brain is out of the box thinking. That makes you an entrepreneur. If I take you in education terms, now the LCDs are there. अभी आपको figures दिखाए मैंने. That will be in the image form. That is, आप उसको embed कर देते हो and that is your learning capability. That means you are using your right brain. अगर आपने engineering में जो flow charts होते हैं, that you remember, others you don't remember. The written test, that is you are using your right brain and that is your recapitulation in a much better way. So nowadays the right side thinking is a much better way of thinking. What is communication? Now what is communication? If we talk, communication is a process of exchange of ideas between two or more people. It involves a receiver, a sender, and the medium through which the message is transmitted. Now, when you are communicating, there are various mediums. Now, how you have to communicate? See, if you are very confident in your communication, अब communicate आप कर रहे हो, then what do you see? You see the eyes of a person. And your eye should have the communication of confidence. आप आंख देखते हो किसी की when you are communicating. So that gives you confidence कि आप the way you are sitting, the way you are speaking and how confident you are. और कोई jargons तो नहीं use कर रहे हो. Then go to the customer level of understanding. What is the audience? Where, like, whom you are communicating. When you're communicating to a child, it is something different. You are communicating to a peer, it is very different. When you are communicating to the clients, it is very much different. Be courteous, not irritated. Speak at a proper pace. Pace is you should not be in a hurry to speak. Problem? Can you hear me well?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I thought there's a disturbance from my side. Okay, so do not command, just request. Use professional words and tone. Speak in a proper volume. Volume should be good. It should not be high. It should be in a proper phase. So even if you say when you are communicating through a telephone, the other person can feel like you are enthusiastic, you are confident, or you are in a bad mood. So that is, your speech communicates your feelings. So one has to be very conscious, because these are the soft skills. So that is an effective communication, because whatever you are communicating, that has to reach to the customer in a proper way. Like you remember the Chinese whisper. Chinese whisper क्या होता है? मैंने कुछ बोला और 10th जिसने सुना उसने कुछ और बोल दिया. So Chinese whisper is something different, where there is a misleading of communication. So communication goals is to get and give information, to change behavior, to get action, to ensure the understanding, and to persuade. So the process is, I am a sender. ठीक है, मैंने communicate करना है. What I am communicating, what the other person wants to hear. मुझे वो नहीं communicate करना जो दूसरे को अच्छा नहीं लगे. What you are communicating and the other person is listening or hearing. Hearing and listening में भी फर्क होता है. If I tell you एक 50 पैसा कॉइन है मेरे पास, या 1 रुपी कॉइन है, सो तुमने क्या चाहिए? लेफ्ट, तुम्हें हेड चाहिए, टेल चाहिए? Suppose you need a head or a tail. I need a tail. So tail I win, head you lose. क्या समझे? Tail I win, head you lose.
In both cases, we are going to lose.
Yes, both way I am beneficially. So hearing or listening में बहुत फर्क होता है. That is hearing, but it should be listening. What you are receiving, you have to take the crux कि क्या बोला है. The noise. Noise, like if telephonic communication है, though noise नहीं है. Noise can be anything. Noise can be तुम्हारे the past experiences are also a noise. ठीक है, some new idea, लेकिन तुमने पहले कुछ losses, financial losses हो गए थे, तो नए idea लेने में there is a disturbance in you. So that is the noise, the culture differences, the value, the language in which you are communicating. अगर दूसरा को हिंदी आता है तो हिंदी में communicate करो. Why you are communicating that person in English? अगर दूसरे को समझ उससे आता है तो उससे communicate. So that is a very important, because you are asserting, you are expressing your idea, that is sending. How the other party is receiving, that is listening. Because when you are listening, that is you are understanding the words you have spoken. So it is a two-way process, what you mean to say, what you actually say, what they hear, what you understand, and what they ask you, and what they understand. So वही बोलना चाहिए what the other people wants to understand. So it has to be a two-way process. The consequences of communication failures, these are the dissatisfaction, the lowered morale, the loss of team spirit, the conflict and the argument, lower confidence and self-esteem, loss of friendship. These can be some of the failures of communication. Now, how you are communicating? So there can be a verbal, there can be a non-verbal. What is non-verbal communication, if I ask you? What is non-verbal communication?
Ma'am, body gestures, like how we react.
Yes.
while speaking.
So non-verbal communication is आप eyes से बोलते हो, hand से बोलते हो, how you walk. ओके कई बार फिजिटिंग करते हो, ऐसे 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 करते हो, सो दैट इज नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन. अगर ऐसे ऐसे फिजिटिंग कर रहे हो, दैट मीन्स यू आर नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट इनफ. टैपिंग ऑफ हैंड करते हो या रुमाल को ऐसे ऐसे करते हो, ठीक है, दीज आर द साइंस. अगर लेग ऐसे ऐसे कर रहे हो, हिलाते जा रहे हो, सो दीज आर नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन विच स्पीक्स. Because whatever your communication, the gestures, the non-verbal communication is seen by people. अगर आप स्टेज में बात कर रहे हो और अगर your hand is moving in an erratic direction, people will not see your speech, hear your speech. They will only see your hands. So visual communication and written communication. So written communication में you should not use jargons. So you have to be very clear. कट सेंटेंसेस लिखने हैं, सिंपल सेंटेंसेस लिखने हैं, टू मीनिंग सेंटेंसेस नहीं लिखने हैं अगर आपने प्रपोजल्स बनाने हैं. So this is the formal, informal. Formal is when you are communicating to your seniors, you're communicating to your bosses or your client, or informal can be with the friends and relatives. So verbal communication is the simple language, grammatically correct you should be, clear and precise. It should be very crisp. ये नहीं कि लंबे लंबे sentences बोल रहे हो और क्या उस sentence का क्रस था तुम्हें पता नहीं लगे. So it has to be very clear and precise. Your voice modulation, your diction, जो आप बोलते हैं, your expression, your tone, your pitch. Pitch is your quack quack quack, ये इस टाइप का नहीं, और not in a total manly voice. The volume should be so that the receiving tone, because इसका तो आप लोग इंजीनियर्स है, वॉल्यूम का ज़्यादा वॉल्यूम हो जाता है तो नॉइज पोल्यूशन होता है. एंड द रेट हाउ यू आर स्पीकिंग, यू नो एक एक वर्ड्स को क्लैरिफाई करके, so you have to rehearse. And the best way is seeing your mirror and then speaking. Or nowadays mobiles are there. When you are speaking, either see your किसी को बोलो अपना तुम्हारा वीडियो ले, और या तो अपनी वॉइस को, if you want to have a modulation of voice, even if in your interviews, if you don't want to be entrepreneurs, or if you want to go join an organization, you have to be very much in a certain pace. So nowadays the best thing is, even nowadays if you see, there are various apps where your communication, or even there are websites who are interested in taking 5 minutes of your interviews and then sending it for your to consultants for jobs. Okay, that is in thing nowadays, because आजकल everything is, the interviews are also through your web and through Zoom and other things. So non-verbal is your gestures, your habit, your nervousness, the posture, and the way you are sitting. So it should not be in slanting way. It has to be your body, your back should be erect, and your facial expression should have an eye contact. Whenever you're speaking to somebody, it has to be in face-to-face and eye contact and smile. So there has to be an impact on your message. The tone of your voice is 40%. Of what you are giving the message. The words are only 10%. The body language is 50%. So you see the messages which are conveyed are by your tone, your words, and your body language. So main is your body language and the tone of the voice and words. So impact of messages, the voice communication, the tone is 86% and the words are only 14%. So the channel of communication is downward communication. That means the boss to the subordinate, or on the upward communication. Horizontal communication you do with your teammates. The grapevine is the informal communication, that is network. So I was talking about the styles of communication. Anybody about the passive aggressive and the assertive communication? Anybody can give me an example of this? What do you mean by passive communication? What do you mean by passive? जो बोलते नहीं है ज्यादा, तो दूसरों के सुनते हैं, बट बोलना भी तो जरूरी है ना. You have to be assertive. Aggressive मतलब जोर से बोल के दूसरों को दबाना, वो नहीं कर सकते. और passive में हमेशा आप चुप नहीं रह सकते. Assertive means that I am okay, you are okay. तुम अपनी भी बोलो और दूसरे की भी सुनो. So आजकल के जमाने में you have to be a smart person. Hard working के साथ you have to be a smart person. So it is more of assertive behavior, which is a part of soft skill. आपने दूसरे की भी सुननी है, अपनी भी करनी है, and then consensus लो और जो best है वो करो, जो best है दोनों के लिए वो करो. So that is called assertiveness. So communication is more of assertive nowadays. So it has to be an assertive communication. It is always helpful to be an assertive communication. See, verbal communication you are doing, the written communication and the non-verbal. That's a Gandhi ji ke teen. So that is a non-verbal. So everything is through your eyes, what you are listening and what you are speaking. So importance of voice and tone we have already talked. So types of the voice tone is a positive voice or a negative. आप किसी को डांट रहे हो तो negative tone होता है. Neutral tone is in the same pace. So positive tone rakho, like, you know, when you go to a leader or a motivational trainer, so he has a positive tone of voice. So that motivates you to do things in a positive direction. So if you have a positive tone, that will show you're enthusiastic. हाँ, मैंने ये करना है. Your energy is through your voice tone. Your creativity, your ideas, even if you are going for a telephonic talk, it has to be very clear. So your energy is shown even in face-to-face. Whenever you are speaking to somebody, the energy is through your tone. See, body language to hai hai, but tone hai, your desireness to do a thing. That influences you. Like during interviews, I'm an HR person. We sit for interviews. Okay, for companies, I'm in the panel of many companies. So क्या देखते हैं? HR last में देखता है कि कितना enthusiastic है. See, we ask question like, what after 5 years? Where is your future? We see the vision and the mission. Even you are being an entrepreneur, you have to see your 5 years plan. अगर organic farming करनी है, biofuels के entrepreneurship करना है, तो आपने 5-year plans देखने हैं अपने. कि कैसे आपने उसको expand करना है, because this is your business you are starting, how you have to start this startup, where they will be teaching you the financial, कहाँ से loans लेने हैं, सब कुछ they will be telling you. But what is the process? You have to have an intrinsic motivation for doing these things. अंदर से motivate होगा तभी तो आप act करोगे. If you start in the morning, आप उठते हो, you think what you have to do. It's not that ठीक है आप उठे fresh हुए और ठीक है चलो बैठ जाओ. You plan a day, and planning is very much part of your function, and उसके हिसाब से आप action करोगे. Your attitude for your day makes you move forward for the day. So the rate of speed, the desire to willingness to help, the neutral voice is they aren't positive, they aren't welcoming, flat speech. अच्छा ठीक है देखेंगे इस टाइप से. ठीक है, डिसइंटरेस्टेड, इंटरेस्टेड, इनडिफरेंट, अच्छा मैं देख लेता हूँ, कोई आपसे बात किया कि ये करना है, अच्छा मैं देख लेता हूँ. So that is a neutral voice. Negative is aggressive, frustrated, attack, harsh, abrupt, discouraged dialect. So that is a negative tone, because you should not be in a negative, because whenever you are in a negative tone, your total day is lost. Because वो negative feeling निकलती बहुत मुश्किल से है body से. Positiveness तुम्हारा positive रहेगी, and you will be there in you for a longer time. So negative voice will disturb your body. So body is also disturbed, attitude नहीं रहेगा, soft skill तो छोड़ ही दो. So these are the styles. Aggressive communication becomes aggressive when we stand up for our rights in such a way that the other person's rights are violated. So it leads to the close down of communication. Submissive communication, that is your passive communication. We fail to stand up for our rights and we express them in a way that allows others to easily disregard them. It leads to win-lose communication. We have to have a win-win communication. Submissive में आप दूसरों को win करने देते हो, अपने नहीं win होते. Aggressive में आप अपने आप को win करते हैं, दूसरे lose करते रहे. Assertive may you see the other also and yours. So you are seeing your right and do not violate the other's right. So that is your assertive communication. That should be in all relationships, whether it's a teamwork, it's a family relationship, should be assertive communication. So components are diction, we have already told. The tone, negative, positive, tone expression, your emotions, your feelings, your mood. Types of pitch. Okay, the low pitch, the high pitch. So the right volume is also, it should not be too loud or soft. The loud voices impair anger. So your attitude affects your speech. Now how? What attitude should have? So one has to think positive. 20% of the job is a technique and the rest is 80% is attitude. That is a proven formula. See, 20%, if you are thinking positive, like, you know, in secrets or I am okay, you are okay. 80% is your attitude that you choose. If it's a positive attitude, you know, it's better, you feel better, make others feel, and you look younger also, because वो face में वो नहीं पड़ेगा lines. So barriers are your premature evaluation, inattention, stereotyping, assumption, generalizing. So ये barriers हैं. Poor listening skills. Selective listening is whatever you want to listen, तुम listen करते हो, बाकी नहीं listen करते. Fixed ideas are there, that is you have your experiences, पहले वाले जो experiences हैं उसकी ideas में fixed होते हो. You do not take up new ideas. So don't know your subject, focus on your purpose, know your audience, use confident tone and pitch, give examples, cases, keep it short and simple. Whatever you are trying to relate to your clients, whatever information you are giving or seeking, you have to be, you know, keep it simple. So speak slowly, stress and pause when needed, eye contact, active listening, appropriate facial expressions, use confident tone and pitch. So do not use technical terms or jargons. To majority of people, naturally, if you are a technical person and you are talking to a technical person, naturally you will use technical words, but not to a person who is not about that area. So do not speak too fast or too slow. Do not speak in an inaudible surrounding, like आगे पीछे आवाज आ रही है and you are speaking. So do not assume that everybody understands you. Do not interrupt the speaker. So any questions here, and then we can proceed. Any questions still here? I hope you are listening and understanding. Any questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am, ma'am, how can we encode the right word at the right place to make our statement more effective? Like, ma'am, till now we are in college and ma'am, we have to communicate with our friends only. So we use a lots of slangs and informal language. So that's the same things happens when we have to face like any company person or any for internships and all that.
See, whatever you are, suppose you are going for internship. If there is an interview for an internship somewhere, what will you do? एक कंपनी आ रही है, ठीक है, उसके बारे में आपको पूरी तरह से पता होना चाहिए. One thing, make it sure wherever you are going, चाहे अपना बिजनेस शुरू कर रहे हो या एक कंपनी में you are going for the interview or internship, you have to know about that company well. क्या उसके प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, क्या उसका टर्नओवर है, कौन से लोगों के साथ कोलैबोरेशन है, and then you have to write it down. See, if you are having that communication glitch, अपने आप को रिहर्स करो. I told you, no, शीशे के सामने रिहर्स करो. अपने आप को एक बंद कमरे में एक शीशा रख लो और बात करो, जैसे कंप्यूटर से के हम ऐसे बात करते हैं. शीशा के सामने बात करो, उसको रिकॉर्ड करो. कंप्यूटर्स में भी तो तुम अपना अगर बात कर रहे हो इन लैपटॉप, तुम कैमरा ऑन कर दो, यू विल नो how you are speaking, what the way you are speaking, your eyes movement कैसी हैं, your body movements कैसी हैं. या किसी को बोलो कैमरा लेके तुम्हारी फोटो ले, तुम्हारी वीडियो ले, and then you see it yourself. You will see your own mistakes and reform yourself. और जो अगर जैसे इंटरव्यू के लिए जाने, jot down the points लिखो, उसको रिहर्स करो. बार बार रिहर्स करने से अब क्या होता है, जो थिएटर्स में क्या होता है, रिहर्स करते हैं तभी तो दे कैन गिव देयर फाइनल प्रोडक्ट. एक बार थोड़ी ये एक डायलॉग पढ़ के बोल देते हैं. दे हैव टू प्रैक्टिस सो मच. सो इफ यू हैव दैट ग्लिच, सो व्हाई नॉट प्रैक्टिस? सी, प्रैक्टिस मेक्स अ पर्सन अ परफेक्ट पर्सन. Understood, Shivam? Anybody
Yes, ma'am.
else? Yeah.
Ma'am, one more query I have.
Yes.
Ma'am, like when we got nervous, most of the time we start speaking like ma'am fastly, so that this
अपना वेब
person.
तो खोलो, मैं देखूं तो सही तुम्हें.
Just a minute.
हाँ.
Yes,
Anji.
ma'am. So,
Yes.
so ma'am, most of the time when we get nervous in front of anyone, we start speaking fastly. So, ma'am, how can we overcome this? Like, this is because
nervousness.
of
Why
nervousness.
a person gets nervous? First thing, why does a person gets nervous when he's not confident?
Ma'am,
तभी
because
nervousness होती है ना. Confidence
ma'am.
नहीं है तभी तो nervousness होती है. तो confidence
ma'am.
क्यों नहीं है? Maybe the content knowledge is not okay. ठीक है, अगर
ma'am.
आपका content knowledge होगा, then you will be confident about yourself. ठीक है, अगर तुम्हें उस एरिया के बारे में बहुत अच्छी नॉलेज है तो you will be confident. So that's what I'm saying. If there's a glitch in communication, have your content knowledge good enough so that you can contradict the person if they are saying something.
But ma'am, when we have to face a person for the first time, so ma'am, that's the hesitations come from
अपनी
inside.
टीम है, तुम्हारे फ्रेंड्स हैं, 3-4 फ्रेंड्स हैं, एक दूसरे से इंटरव्यू करो. फ्रेंड्स हैं ना तुम्हारे?
Yes, ma'am.
कॉलेज में फ्रेंड्स हैं, जो तुम्हारे फ्रेंड्स हैं, एक दूसरे के सामने बैठो. अगर नहीं बैठ रहे हो तो जूम से बैठो एक दूसरे को, और तुम देखो वो क्वेश्चन पूछेगा और तुम बोलो. ऐसे ही होता है ना. Nobody becomes perfect just after college. है ना. कॉन्फिडेंस आने में टाइम लगता है ना. तो अगर आप इंटर्नशिप क्यों दी जाती है? Why internship is given by colleges? So that at least you know about the know-how of your area. You will be working in the organization. You will know about that area, no? तभी तो इसलिए it is a prime thing. Internship is very prime for your future because all the interviews are based on your internship. आप resume में अपने internship details लिखते हैं, and when the people come for the interview, they will see your तुमने 6 महीने में क्या किया है, what new you have done. So maybe in the resume you write your projects you have given, and you should write your strengths, your personality traits. Never address your weaknesses to another person. अगर कोई पूछे कि what is your weakness, I'm so hard, like I'm very much into doing the work in target time. इससे क्या शो हो रहा है?
मैम ये पॉजिटिव वे में
टाइम मैनेजमेंट रखते हो. दो यू आर जस्ट सेइंग कि ये मेरी वीकनेस है क्योंकि मैं बहुत काम करता हूँ और मैं अपने टारगेट टाइम में खत्म करना चाहता हूँ, बट इट इज शोइंग योर स्ट्रेंथ ऑल्सो। तो हमेशा कम्युनिकेशन बहुत मेजर होता है इंटरव्यूज में। यू मस्ट बी 9 क्रेडिट जो भी है तुम्हारा जो मे बी 90% जो भी क्रेडेंशियल्स हैं तुम्हारे, बट speaking is how you relate. You know, some people even they go for IITs, but communication nahi aati, especially engineers. Why MBA? They say they are very smart because unko communication sikhaya jata hai. So engineering mein ye cheezein communication kam hoti hai, but this should be part and parcel of the engineering group, because unless you communicate, आप कैसे करोगे? You are intellectual, you have good brains, but वो brain से बाहर भी तो आना है. So communicate, try to communicate in front of people. Try to use your friends. Anybody else? Yeah, thank you so much.
मैम मेरी एक क्वेरी थी कि मैम जैसे मैं किसी के साथ इन्वॉल्व,
Can you have your webcam on? हाँ जी
मैम जैसे अगर कम्युनिकेशन में किसी के साथ इन्वॉल्व होता हूँ मैं, तो मैम मतलब फ्लो में ना मैं बह जाता हूँ। मतलब मैम जैसे होता है ना कि ओपिनियन लेना है या बातचीत करनी है, मतलब दूसरे का ओपिनियन लेना है, मैम बातचीत करते करते ना मैम अपने आइडियाज और स्ट्रेटेजीज मैम ये सब भी मैं बता देता हूँ। तो मैम ये चीज फिर मैं बाद में बहुत ज्यादा रिग्रेट करता हूँ। तो मैम इस चीज को मैम लिमिट करना है, तो मैम क्या हो सकता है इसमें?
See, it depends to with whom you are communicating. किससे communicate कर रहे हो? पहली चीज, ठीक है? फ्रेंड से कम्युनिकेट कर रहे हो, फ्रेंडशिप इज वेरी डिफरेंट, ठीक है? अपने आइडियाज ज्यादा लोगों को बताने नहीं चाहिए आजकल।
मैम वही तो चीज होती है मैम, और मैम फ्लो के साथ बह जाता हूँ मैं बिल्कुल। तो मैम
तो
वो चीज
फिर दूसरे के कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स बहुत हैं अच्छे जो तुमसे सारा फ्लो निकाल लेते हैं, है ना?
नहीं मैम नॉर्मली मैम किसी के साथ भी करता हूँ ना, तो मैम मैं अपनी स्ट्रेटेजी आइडियाज में किसी के साथ भी शेयर कर देता हूँ यूजुअली। मैम पता नहीं हो जाता है मैम, फिर बाद में रिग्रेट होता है उस चीज का। तो मैम मतलब
you have to think when you speak. सोचो क्या बोल रहे हो, conscious हो when you are communicating with people, because now you are going to the world of work. Student life is something different. When you're going outside in this world, it's very different. People will be trying to pressurize you down. Nobody likes any other person progressing. None of your colleagues will like. So you have to restrain your talk. किसी को नहीं अच्छा लगता कि कौन तुमसे बढ़ रहा हो आगे, कि ये क्यों बढ़ रहा है, चलो इसको दबाओ, इसके नेगेटिव्स बॉस को बता दो। सो अगर तुम एम्प्लॉयमेंट की दुनिया में जाओ, nobody is for you. There will be only 1 or 2 friends which are ideal friends for you, which will think for your progress, or your parents or your brothers sisters who will think about your progress. Others are ये दुनिया है, दुनिया बहुत डिफरेंट है। पैंडेमिक ने दुनिया सिखा दी है लोगों को। अब लोग अपने बारे में, अपने हेल्थ के बारे में बहुत सोच रहे हैं, ठीक है? अपने बारे में सोचो। एंड हाउ आइडिया सबको बताने वाली चीज नहीं होती है। हाँ, क्लाइंट्स है उसको सिस्टमैटिक आइडियाज बताओ। अगर ही इज ट्राइंग टू इन्वेस्ट इन यू, तब प्रॉपर सिस्टमैटिक फ्लो चार्ट बनाओ, प्रेजेंटेशन बनाओ, बिकॉज प्रेजेंटेशन, गिविंग अ इफेक्टिव प्रेजेंटेशन इज आल्सो एन आर्ट। यू हैव टू नो योर।
बट एक वो चीज होती है ना कि ओपिनियन लेने वाला काम, कि ओपिनियन ले लो, मतलब जितने ज्यादा लोगों से ओपिनियन, फिर खुद को जो अच्छा लगेगा, तो मैम उस चीज में काम खराब हो जाता है सारा।
नहीं तो ओपिनियन लो, किसने कहा कि अपने आइडिया सारे बताओ? ओपिनियन लेना क्यों कोई खराब बात नहीं है। यू विल सी ओपिनियन तो लेना ही पड़ता है, बिकॉज द अदर पर्सन विल शेयर हिज एक्सपीरियंसेस, और एक्सपीरियंसेस से ही वी लर्न। लेकिन अपना भी तो इम्प्लीमेंट करना पड़ेगा ना एक्सपीरियंस, तभी यू विल लर्न। लोगों की सुनते रहो तो फिर अपना कब करोगे? तो अपना स्टार्ट सी। इफ यू वांट टू बी एन एंटरप्रेन्योर, प्लान करो, प्लान करो, पहले तो आइडिया रिटर्न में घर पे प्लान करोगे ना, पहले तो दिमाग में आइडिया आएगा, फिर तुम उसको लिखोगे कि मैं कैसे करूंगा, क्या होगा, व्हाट विल बी द माय मार्केट स्ट्रैटेजी, व्हाट विल बी माय टाइम लिमिट एंड टाइम स्ट्रैटेजी, किसको मैं इन्वॉल्व करूं, किसको मैं एडवाइजर रखूं। ठीक है, अगर तुम्हें एक अपनी कंपनी भी, पहले तो कंपनी बनानी पड़ेगी, और कंपनी बनाने के लिए क्या नाम होना चाहिए जो हेल्प करेगा लोगों को सोचने में, बिकॉज यू आर मेकिंग अ विजन ऑफ योर कंपनी। विजन इज ऑल्सो अ वे ऑफ कम्युनिकेटिंग क्या आप कर रहे हो। एक लोगो होता है, लोगो भी बहुत डिपेंड करता है, क्योंकि अपनी कंपनी बना रहे हो, उसकी लोगो बनाना होगा, उसका नाम देना होगा, देन उसका क्या ऑब्जेक्टिव है वो लिखना पड़ेगा। प्रपोजल्स में तो ये करना पड़ता है, तभी आप आगे फिर आइडिया जनरेट करोगे, आइडिया होगा, उसको कैसे फेजेस में आप करोगे वो आप क्लाइंट्स को बताओगे ना, तभी तो वो ट्राई करेगा इन्वेस्ट करने में।
yes.
ठीक है, अली बाबा ने ओला का कैसे इन्वेस्ट किया, इतने करोड़ रुपए इन्वेस्ट किया, उसने आइडिया दिया कि मैं एक साल में इतना प्रोग्रेस करना है, 2 साल में, दीज आर कम्युनिकेशन। आपने इंफॉर्मेशन दिया लोगों को और इंफॉर्मेशन सीख किया, दैट इज व्हाट इज नीडेड।
Okay,
ठीक है अंश,
thank you, ma'am.
तो पहले देखो अंश का मतलब क्या है। इट इज योर पर्सनालिटी, वन शुड
Ma'am.
नो द मीनिंग ऑफ योर ओन नेम, which is very much
Parts,
important.
part.
हाँ जी,
Ma'am, part like हिस्सा।
हिस्सा, किसका हिस्सा हो, ग्रोथ का हिस्सा हो। सोचो अंश इज ग्रोथ है मेरा, अंश है, अपनी कंपनी का नाम इससे रिलेटेड रखो,
Okay, ma'am.
दैट इज योर पार्ट एंड पार्सल। ठीक है, सो अपना जो नाम होता है, इट इज वेरी मच सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ योर पर्सनालिटी, और उसको किस तरह से तुम एनहांस करोगे, दैट इज व्हाट इज वे ऑफ लाइफ। और अपने पे कॉन्फिडेंस इज द मेन थिंग, सब कुछ हो जाता है। एक अंदर से, एक बोलते हैं ना एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, एक होते हैं इंट्राप्रेन्योरशिप। एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप बाहर से दिखता है, जब तक अंदर से ना हो तुम बाहर क्या दिखाओगे, अंदर
Yes,
से
ma'am.
वो आना चाहिए, दैट फीलिंग शुड कम फ्रॉम इनसाइड।
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
थैंक यू। एनीबडी एल्स?
Brilliantly said, ma'am.
कौन है ये?
I'm
ये
Hriday, ma'am.
तो
I'm sorry.
हृदय, ये तो लायन का रूप है। वेयर इज योर प्रोफाइल?
I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm unable to turn on the camera at the moment.
सी एक चीज हृदय, one thing, you know, we are into Zoom, okay, wherever you are going for interview or wherever you are coming, like Teams में आपने line लगाया हुआ है, it should have your own profile. The first thing very important for a student, you should have your own profile. Why you are showing the lion profile? तुम lion हो तो अपनी शक्ल दिखाओ ना, ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
हाँ, तो क्योंकि whenever you are speaking to anybody, you should have your profile, not AS या कुछ AV. हमेशा whenever you are coming for a virtual platform, your profile should be very good, because that should signify your, तुम्हारी eyes, तुम्हारा face, that signifies you. तुम अपना ब्रांड है ना, अपना ब्रांड बनो, उसका ब्रांड क्यों ले लिया लायन का?
Understood, ma'am. Understood.
Understood.
Ma'am, for one more suggestion, if Ansh and Shivam want, they can communicate with me, and we can all form a group together for communication and
Why not?
talking to each
अगर
other.
ये सारा एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का ग्रुप है, तो एक व्हाट्सएप बनाया होगा, तो why not that WhatsApp should remain? एक
Yes,
व्हाट्सएप
ma'am.
ग्रुप
Definitely,
आपका बना
definitely.
है, that should remain forever, क्योंकि you should have your own ideas. जैसे पहले भी फेस टू फेस ट्रेनिंग्स ली हुई है मैंने इस टाइप की, उनका अलग से व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप बना हुआ है, सो अपने आइडियाज वो जनरेट करते हैं, डालते हैं। So why not? That group should be there, because this is how you will know from each other. Information seeking क्या है? You know from your peers, you know from the person you are communicating to. Anybody?
Definitely, ma'am. Definitely. If Shivam and Ansh they want to connect with me, they can tell me on the group, and we will form another group for all the people who are facing issues in communication, and we can sort them out together.
Yeah, why not together? अपने एक
Yes,
Zoom
sure.
का
will definitely
ग्रुप
contact
बनाओ,
after this.
उसमें एक दूसरे को लो, 4-5 जन Zoom में बात करो, या एक का इंटरव्यू लो, 4 लोग पैनल में बैठो, इंटरव्यू लेके देखो. So that is how you will learn.
Definitely, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Peer to peer evaluation भी हो जाएगा, feedback भी दे पाएंगे.
हाँ, और क्या. So take the advantage of these courses. क्योंकि तभी कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा ना, एक दूसरे को मिल के कॉन्फिडेंस आता है. अपने अपने घर में बैठ के कॉन्फिडेंस क्या आएगा? तुम आइडियाज ही सोचते रह जाओगे. कॉन्फिडेंस शुड कम इन. एनीबडी वांट्स टू आस्क कि मैं थोड़ा प्रोसीड करूं?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I have a question that like I just really get influenced. If someone is like convinced, so I get influenced. Like something which I can do for that, or
Can I see your face, Tumpa?
ma'am, it's like I can't really turn on now.
Okay. Anyway,
Yes,
so you are getting influenced by people. क्यों?
yes, ma'am. पता नहीं ma'am कोई मतलब if something से like ऐसे ऐसे करना है या फिर something, I just really believe them.
नहीं, एक चीज लाइफ में देखो, बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ. ऑलवेज बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ. ठीक है, अभी तुम्हारे में इतना कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है बिकॉज यू हैव नॉट फेस द वर्ल्ड. बट सुनो सबकी, बट अपने मन की करो. जो तुम्हारा पैशन है वो करो. ये नहीं है सुनना है. यू आर टेकिंग गाइडेंस फ्रॉम योर पेरेंट्स. वो तुम्हें अच्छा गाइडेंस देंगे. बट ये है कि कॉन्फिडेंस उन्हीं पे रखो जो तुम्हारे पॉजिटिव तुम्हारे बारे में बोले, और कि और इवन योर नेगेटिव्स तुम्हें बताए. इन्फ्लुएंस होना बहुत आसान है, इन्फ्लुएंस करना बहुत मुश्किल है. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
तो अपने ब्रांड बनाओ ना, अपनी कॉन्फिडेंस लाओ. अभी घर पे हो, अभी एग्जाम्स भी आई डोंट थिंक सो 1 महीना भी अभी आगे एग्जाम्स, मतलब इट विल बी ऑनलाइन. अगर सब कुछ ठीक चला तो 1 महीने बाद खुल जाएगा. बट अभी घर पे हो तो कम से कम रीड थिंग्स, नेट देखो, क्या क्या तुम कर सकते हो, आइडियाज लाओ, अपने आप को ट्रेन करो. अगर इंटर्नशिप है, देखो विच कंपनीज आर गुड फॉर इंटर्नशिप. की पहले इंटर्नशिप करो, नौकरी 1 साल करो, फिर गेन करो कॉन्फिडेंस, एंड देन फिर तुम अपनी कंपनी बनाओ. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू गेन एक्सपीरियंसेस. एक स्टार्ट में एक कंपनी बनाने के लिए बहुत गुर्दा चाहिए. बिकॉज 9 to 5 में ठीक है, तुम्हें पैसे मिल रहे हैं, तुम्हें अपने टाइम मिल रहा है, बट यू आर लर्निंग फ्रॉम द एक्सपीरियंसेस ऑल्सो. अपना एक्सपीरियंस गेन करो. बिकॉज अपने बिजनेस में अप्स डाउन्स बहुत हैं. उसके लिए देयर हैज टू बी अ रेजिलियंस सो दैट यू कैन फॉल बैक. और प्रॉपर आइडियाज है. नौकरी करो, साथ साथ वो बिजनेस शुरू करो, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप शुरू करो, सो दैट 1 साल कर लिया एंड देन अपने आप को एस्टैब्लिश करो, देन लीव करो. बिकॉज फाइनेंशियली भी तो, फाइनेंस भी तो चाहिए ना. यू कैन नॉट डिपेंड ऑन योर पेरेंट्स फॉर लॉन्ग.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody else?
Thank you, ma'am.
Anybody else? So I will continue with the rest. थोड़ा fast हो जाती हूँ क्योंकि hardly 5 minutes are left. I'll just skip these. I just wanted to show you 2-3 things. Yeah, already I have given the slides. Maybe you'll get the slides. See, accurate. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Body image gives a very much impression, like self-confidence. What do you understand from this picture? क्या समझ आ रही है? The cat is moving और Alsatians इतने सारे 15-20 Alsatian जा रहे हैं. Cat में confidence है, पूंछ ऊपर की हुई है. आपकी confidence है तो dogs भी आपको कुछ नहीं करेंगे. It means that if you have confidence about yourself, the anti people, the people who are anti, you cannot do anything. So be authentic. You have to be yourself. Understood by this picture perception? Let the body mirror show your feeling, your inner self. Build confidence. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? Knowledge is the key to self confidence. I told you, no, अपना knowledge से ही अपना confidence बढ़ाओ. एक cat is seeing the mirror and she feels that she is a lion. That feeling should come under you. So you have to read the audience. ये सब देख लेना. I have already given the slides. Presentation skills is also very much important. Modulate your voice. Do not talk too fast. Use dynamics. Avoid a monotone in your voice. Speak with clarity. The pitch. Use appropriate words. Make eye contact. Use gestures properly. Body language. Your eyes often blurt out. You can do it. दो तीन और चीजें दिखा देती हैं तुम्हें. See, can you see this? Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
How much of the iceberg can you see? Iceberg कितना
Half,
दिखता है सी में? कितना परसेंट दिखाई देता है?
Ma'am, 25 to 30 or 35 to
else?
40.
टाइटैनिक देखी थी ना? Did you see the Titanic?
It is 70%.
70% दिखता है.
No ma'am,
टाइटैनिक कैसे डूबी?
नहीं दिखता.
टाइटैनिक कैसे डूबी? क्योंकि उनको पता नहीं था उसके नीचे कितना है. See, this is how an iceberg is there. 10% of the iceberg is visible. 90% is below sea. So 10% visible, 90% below sea. अगर तुम human being को ये लो phenomenon, knowledge and skill which is known to other is only 10%. जो तुम्हारे अंदर है वो तुम्हारा attitude है. So attitude is your value, your standard, your judgment, your motive, your ethics and the belief. ये impact करता है तुम्हारे behavior को. एटीट्यूड इम्पैक्ट करता है और बिहेवियर तो जो एटीट्यूड है उसी में कई बार आप खुंदक खा रहे हो, कई बार बहुत पॉजिटिव हो. दैट इज हाउ योर स्पीच इज गवर्न्ड. सो यू हैव दैट कैन डू एटीट्यूड कि मैं कर सकता हूँ. इवन लिमिटेशंस हैं, आई कैन डू इट. पॉजिटिव मेंटल एटीट्यूड, विलिंग टू लीड बाय एग्जांपल्स. So these are the attitudes you have to have: an open-minded, receptive, caring for the growth and development of group people, willing to adapt the situation, modest and unselfish, understanding, people-loving, group conscious. These should be there. So letter should be, अगर हम skill इसको देखें, S देखें तो S is 19, K is 11. It comes around 82. Knowledge comes about 96. Hard work is 98. What is 100%? What is 100%? It is the attitude.
Ma'am, attitude.
Attitude.
Calculate here, it is the attitude. So it is one very nice example I wanted to show you. Once upon a time, there was a bunch of baby frogs. Okay. देखो भाग रहे हैं. So participating in a competition, the target was to get the top of a high tower. The crowd of people had gathered to observe the race and encourage the participants. The start shot ran out. Quite honestly, none of the onlookers believed that the baby frogs could actually accomplish getting to the top of the tower. You are the baby frogs here. Words like, it's too difficult, they will never reach the top. Not a chance, the tower is too high. By one, some of the baby calls fell off, except those who fastly climbed higher and higher. The crowds kept on yelling, oh, it's very difficult, nobody is going to make it. More baby frogs became tired and giving up, क्योंकि negative thoughts आ रहे थे. But one kept on going higher and higher. He is not about giving up. At the end, everybody had given up except one determined to reach the top. क्या हुआ होगा? बताओ, वो कैसे पहुंच गया? दूसरे सारे गिरते रहे. What do you
Positive
think?
attitude.
Ma'am,
Positive attitude or?
He tried again and again.
Ma'am, determination.
Perseverance.
Okay. Or?
He didn't care about anything. मैम
What
वो
else?
दूसरे को देख के मैम डिमोटिवेट नहीं हुआ.
On the other part
Ma'am, he
of
was
when
focused
you
only
wanted to
towards his
know.
goal.
Hanji?
He was
Yes?
focused only towards his goal, ma'am.
हाँ. और? Truth is the winner was deaf. उसने सुना ही नहीं, उसको सुना ही नहीं दिया लोगों ने क्या कहा, तभी पहुंचता गया. उसको लगा कि ऐसे ऐसे लोग कर रहे हैं, नहीं करेगा, उसने कहा उसको मोटिवेट कर रहे हैं, उसने सुना ही नहीं. So you have to be deaf to the negative thoughts. That's what I wanted to relate. You have to be deaf. But अपने ऊपर तुम करोगे confidence तो the lesson to be learned, don't ever listen to people who are negative and pessimistic. They will deprive you of your loveliest dreams and wishes you carry in your heart. Always be aware of the power of words and everywhere, everything you hear and will interfere with your actions. This is what I wanted to relate. So, you can do it attitude should always be there. So that is the end. 12:30 was my time. I think so. I'm dot on time. Any questions?
No queries, ma'am. You explained very well. Thank you so much, ma'am.
I hope I am seeing young budding entrepreneurs coming up.
Yes, sure, ma'am.
So I hope I have motivated you so that always always be like a coffee bean, smiling, thinking, and always be like a deaf frog. Okay, and be like, read The Secret, be open to ideas, but think what is the best, because don't trust people outside, think yourself. That's what
Yes,
I
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you so
ma'am.
much. Okay, thank you so much, ma'am, for facilitating such a positive learning environment. We really enjoyed your session and so the students. And thank you for your time today. Thank you very
you.
much.
And will you send me the recordings and some of the photographs if you take?
Yes, ma'am. We'll send you the recording.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, and some of the photographs also if you have taken.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, bye-bye. All the best. Do well. And come up. It's
Thank
fine.
you,
We
ma'am.
are dependent on the
Thank you,
generation
ma'am.
Z. Okay, all the best, beta.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Dr.
Bye.
Nidhi.
Bye-bye.